Hi.
Today we're gonna make an ant trap.
What's that?
Ant trap.
Ant trap. So we are here in our terrace. So outside the house. Yeah. So we are making
In the balcony.
Yeah, the balcony. Okay, so what we gonna do?
It's an ant trap.
Ant trap? Okay.
Yes.
So can I make also mine?
I see so many ants and I need to
You
make
put a trap.
them trap.
Yeah, put the
So
trap.
that they cannot exit.
Okay, and have this too.
Daddy, we need to put mine. Daddy, I'm already making up my own ant.
Okay.
Was the night.
Hmm.
That's not the ant trap.
This is a gate.
But Daddy, that's too big.
That's too big.
Daddy, we need to cover it.
Oh wow, it's like a cube.
Daddy, it's like a cube, and then if the ants go in, they cannot get out when I put one block here.
It's a good idea.
Mom,
Yeah, it's a good idea.
but I want to make a big one. Let's make a huge one.
So what's your explanation about it?
So that ants cannot exit if they go back out, put a door, and then I cannot exit like that.
Okay.
That would
It's a
help.
ant trap.
So that any ant can escape when I open the door.
Yeah.
But when I don't open the door, it will too strong.
Okay, and then the ant cannot go inside anymore. Yeah,
No, outside.
outside. Okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay guys, we're making ant trap for now. Bye bye.